This is a very easy recipe to follow. If you've not got a sieve, you can actually use the coffee strainer at home. This is done so that all of the ingredients mix up well and evenly together. If you're a beginner at baking, please do not skip this step. I've actually added curd here. Instead, you can also substitute it with 2 eggs. So when you realize you've got to whisk the mixture, if you do not have it at home, do not panic. So this is a DIY whisk that I made. You can pair up 2 forks and put on a cello tape. This will help you with the entire whisking process. You add the water slowly, little by little, until all of the ingredients mend together. You do it. It might take you around 2 to 3 minutes. One common mistake that people do is over whisking the batter. Do not do it because it might make the entire cake rubbery. Once it is done, transfer it into 2 cups. Now you take a smaller cup, add the cocoa powder along with a teaspoon of water and make a paste. Mix it with one of the cups. And you have 2 mixtures now, one with the chocolate and the other with the vanilla essence. You take 2 bowls. These are the ones which go into the oven or into the kadai. You oil them up, so grease it well and evenly. This helps in making the cake non-sticky when it's done. Once you've done that, do that for the rest of the cups. Add a bit of maida and then just by tapping it from the sides, you make the maida spread and coat evenly around the cup so that you can demold it once it is done. It might look like it. Now you start layering. So first you put the vanilla essence mixture and then into it you put the chocolate and keep repeating it. It just keeps following a zebra pattern or just a pattern cake. This is how it is formed. So this is how it looked for me. This was the first time. Take a toothpick and then draw lines just like I've shown in the video, or you can do any pattern. Since I do not have an oven at home, this is the setup I made with an idli container lid, a kadai and a stand. Checked if the kitchen cups fit into it and then place it. Once they're ready, you can insert a toothpick and check if the mixture is not sticking to it. If that's the case, it means you've got a perfect cake baked and ready at home. This is a pattern cake. If you like it, please don't forget to share and subscribe.